Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, in English grammar, let's continue our exercise D on page number 23. Open it, children, in your English grammar. Let's read together. As I always said, in English, reading is very important, children. So, always try to read it with me. Describing words also tell us about numbers and colors. Children, as we had already learned that describing words tell us about their color, number, shape, size and qualities. In this exercise, in exercise D, we will see numbers and colors. D. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with words from the box. Children, we will fill in the blanks with the help of these words. In pink brackets, there are hints, there are options. We will find out the correct option from this pink box and then we will fill in the blanks. Let's start. One number, a bird. Now, which word describe bird? 2, green, yellow, 4, 3, small, black, 1, big, pretty. Small bird, right? Yes. So, we will write small bird. Or you can say tiny bird. A small bird. 2 number. Now look at here, children. How many birds are there? There are 2 birds. 1, 2. So we will write down 2 birds. Shirt. Now you can see the color of this shirt. What is it? Yellow. So we will write down yellow. A yellow shirt. Stars. You can count. How many stars are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. Ball. Here we had written a small bird. The opposite of small is big. A big ball. Now doll. How it looks? It looks pretty, beautiful. So we will write down pretty, a pretty doll. Van. What is the color of this van, children? It is green. A green van. Caps. You can count the caps. How many caps are there? 3 caps. So we will write down 3. Crow. The color of the crow is black. A black crow. And how many mats are there? There is only 1 mat. 1 mat. So children, now do you understand that numbers and colors also describing words. They are also describing words. Now we will complete our exercise E. Read the story. Children, reading story is also very important. Read the story of Titu. Who is Titu? It is a monkey. You can see here. And circle the describing words. Now let's read the story. Put your finger and read. Titu is a small monkey. As I already said, who is Titu? He is a small monkey. Now small describe Titu. So it is a describing word. We will circle it. Small monkey. He likes to snatch ripe fruits. Now ripe word describe fruits. So it is a describing word. Ripe fruits from little children. Little children. Little is a describing word which describes children. One day, Titu is eating a yellow banana. Yellow is a describing word which describes banana. So, we will circle yellow. Yellow banana. Two monkeys. How many monkeys? Two monkeys. So, we will circle 2. Numbers and colors are also tell us about noun. So, they are describing words. Come and take the banana from his hand. Titu is upset. So, upset is a describing word which describe the mood of Titu. He becomes a good monkey. So, good is a describing word. After that, he never takes fruits from the other children again. Children, do you understand the story also? Yes, we circle describing words but also understand the story. Right? Yes. Read it again one more time.